condition the paintwork is in. I've definitely seen worse. A lot of these scratches have come from the clay bar, but there were some light swirls in it beforehand. The pad and polish of choice, by the way, is the Angel Wax Regenerate and a Roops yellow medium cut pad, or I think they're actually soft cut pads, but yeah. Now there was a strange mark here on the door that I've noticed. I'm yet to try some tar and glue remover on it. I'm sure it will take care of it. But all of this, the stage 1 polish shouldn't struggle with. So let's do a test patch on the bonnet and see what sort of results we get. Wow, now check out those results. That is quite a difference. Right, so now I know the results I'm going to be getting. That was about 6 passes at about a medium pace with the yellow pad. Time to do the rest of the car. So with the Mini gone, it's now time to move on to the G60 Syncro. As you can see, I've got it up on all 4 jack stands. The wheels are off at the moment, being refurbished. And in the meantime, I'm going to be fixing up the paint. Let me show you how bad it is looking. But the paintwork, as you can see, is rough, needs a lot of love. The stage 1 will definitely start to bring the gloss back and the depth of colour in this black. So it's really going to benefit from this. So the pad and polish combination I'm going for is the Roops white soft pad. It's really, really soft, doesn't leave any marring, any scratches of its own in the paintwork, along with the Carpro Reflect polish. Of course, with the polishing, I'm taking extra care of areas like these door handles because they've got paint actually flaking off them. So if I were to touch them with the machine polisher here, there's a very high chance that I could take more paint off and make it worse. It's looking good. Here comes the G60 I've been working on. First look after the polishing in the sunlight.